Ethicus is one of the first organic and ethical fashion brands in India. What we do over here is we grow our own organic cotton, and that same organic cotton is what we convert into beautiful handloom products that you see over here. This collection which we are promoting over here is inspired by the beautiful city of Isfahan in Iran, and the designer for this collection is Amishi. Amishi Vadgama, who is also here, is a graduate of NID, Ahmedabad, National Institute of Design. What we have over here is a whole range of saris, stoles, dupattas, garments for women. The whole philosophy behind Ethicus is inclusive growth, where everybody is included, because without the environment there is no cotton, without the farmer there is no cotton again. The processor, we need the retailer, we need people like you to help us promote this whole wonderful concept. So we are all in a sense holding each other's hands, and each one is doing their part. So that is what is the philosophy behind Ethicus. So it's ethics and us. So it's ethical clothing. So when we say ethics and us, it's all of us who are part of this whole chain. So that is the whole philosophy behind ethical fashion and what we are trying to promote over here. If you look at every product, it gives identity to the environment, to the place where the cotton is grown. If you look at the tag, it also has a picture of every weaver who has woven that particular product, his name, how many days it's taken him to weave that. Because normally when you do a painting, the painter always signs his name at the end of once his portrait is ready. On a handloom product, that's never done. So we thought it's nothing less than a work of art. He's working continuously, his hands, his legs and his eyes are working continuously throughout the day. And this is just one small way in which we can thank him for creating these beautiful products. So if you look at the tag of the saris, it would show you. And this brings pride in to whoever it is who's made that sari, because it just gives him a kind of recognition. And finally all of us at the end of the day are working for some kind of recognition, some kind of appreciation. So every tag would have the name of the designer. It would have the whole story about where the cotton comes from for the Ethicus products, what is the importance of organic cotton, why organic cotton, and it also tells you about the weaver. Yeah, these are all for sale. So this is our small way of bringing awareness to the whole project and to the whole concept of organic cotton. And why organic cotton? Because of all the pesticides produced in our country, 65% is used only on cotton. So it is such a big pollutant, and for a country like India, cotton is the most comfortable fiber to be in because of our climatic conditions. So if it could be such a pollutant, it could also create a lot of skin problems, a lot of environmental problems, the health of the farmer. So we are, and where we grow this cotton in Kabini near Mysore is surrounded by forest regions. It's on the Western Ghats. We have 5 forest regions surrounded like Nagarhole, Bandipur. So our farmers are all on the fringes of these forests. So what we don't just call this organic cotton, we call it ecologic cotton, because it makes ecologic sense to grow organic cotton in that area. Because that is a whole forest area. We have so much of fauna and flora in that area. So organic cotton helps preserve that and conserve that. So today we work with around 1,700 farmers, close to 2,000 acres of land, where the farmers are growing organic cotton for us. These are very, very small Indian farmers, half acre, 1 acre of land. So we group them all together. They grow this cotton, and we thought that the best way to market this cotton is to create a brand, so to be our own consumer. So that is why in 2009 we launched this brand called Ethicus, which uses a lot of the cotton which they grow. So handloom is just one product line. We also export a lot of our baby garments and other garments. But we thought when we wanted to launch a brand in India, a beautiful world-class brand in India, it should be a handloom product, because that is what is special about our country. The heritage also, because this is the last group of weavers who want to weave. The next generation doesn't want to get into handloom weaving. And what would our country be without its culture and tradition? Imagine if everybody, all the children just move into Bangalore or Hyderabad and get into IT. That's a big, rich tradition which is gone. So this project is a revival project in our area, where we are trying to educate the weaver on today's need, the today's look. The sari has changed. We don't wear saris every day. So the look of the sari has to be something that is suitable for today's woman. for a businesswoman, for a wedding, for a party which they attend. You can't keep making those same saris which we've been doing for so many years and without changing the look. Today's Indian woman is traveling, she wants to be fashionable. So that is what we are trying to do over here, and in that way we are trying to revive that whole industry which is in our area. So you can see some garments which are also made from our handloom fabric. These are all sold across various stores all over India.